Here we've got the XD drag mat behind the ABI Force Z23. The XD drag mat is one of the heaviest drag mats on the market. This version we've got here is the 6 foot wide by 3 foot long. We also offer a 8 foot version by 3 foot as well. This is one of your heavy duty renovation style drag mats. What this drag mat's mainly used for is minor leveling. Because of the surface area of the drag mat, the mesh itself, it will carry a little bit of material, be able to drop some of that material within any low spots as it's making its pass over that low spot. This drag mat is, again, one of the heaviest on the market, and the build is extremely heavy duty. The XD stands for extreme duty. The big touch point here are your welded edges. Each edge here is welded, so if you're snagging base covers or base pegs or fences, this will not snare on you, grab up on you, flare up on you. This will stay rigid and stay tight. It is a very heavy duty drag mat. It will lay down very well. You can manipulate the drag mat using the chain links to be able to kind of hug an inside tire if you're making your turning patterns, or you can even lift it up and use the back half of the mat just to not do a nice sweeping finish as well. This drag mat can also be used behind any other piece of equipment, any four-wheelers or UTVs that may be using, even like a lawn tractor as well. So this is not limited to the ABI Force itself. We've got a little lift point as well here in the middle to be able to hang this up and fold it over and hang it up to be able to transport it from field to field as well. So again, a very heavy-duty drag mat, more for the renovation style, but a great day-to-day groomer as well if you're just touching up a couple fields that might be a little bit out of level or might have some material movement based on gameplay. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about the ABI Force and the rear attachments, please visit our website.